to Motorhead, and today the car we are reviewing is the Elite i20 Asta Optional 2018. So this is the petrol variant of the vehicle. Now let's begin with the review. Starting from the front section of the vehicle, as you can see, this is the front look of the vehicle. Right in the center sits the Hyundai logo, and the number plate has been hidden for obvious reasons. And this is the pretty looking Hyundai cascading grille, which Hyundai calls. And straightly coming to the headlights, these are the projector LED headlight setup. The setup is actually a projector which throws in high and low light through this bulb. Only projector setup, and these are the cornering light functions, indicators, and the daytime running lights. Then coming down, this is the fog light of the vehicle, and as you can see, it has a pretty good shape, and it has been changed in this facelifted model. As you can see, this is the air curtains, which Hyundai calls. It improves the efficiency and the mileage of the vehicle, I guess by 1 to 2 kilometers per liter. And this is the overall front of the vehicle. Now going to the side profile. So this is the side profile of the vehicle. Let's go straight towards the tire. So rubber on this is by Goodyear, and the section of the tire is 195/55 R16, so 16-inch diamond cut finish alloy on the vehicle. These are really gorgeous looking alloy wheels. Then chrome door handles, as you can see, with request sensor on the driver side. It's pretty much same as the previous generation. There are no such changes. C-pillar finished out in black. Coming to the rear of the vehicle, this is where you can see the change comparing to the previous pre-facelifted Elite i20. And the tail lights have been changed. There is a minor change in the tail light. As you can see, it has a smoked black finish to it, and Hyundai has taken away some badging. There is only just the name of the vehicle, i20, in the left side, and the variant. This is the Asta Optional, so it gets the Asta badging. Coming down, these are the 4 rear parking sensors of the vehicle, and left side, this is the reflector, and on the right side you get the reverse light and a reflector. The lights for the number plate illumination and rear view camera. And this is the logo which sits in the center, and you get a rear washer fluid wiper. And this is the antenna. I wish this would have been an shark fin antenna, but as you can see, you can't do anything to the cost cutting. So let's get into the boot. So this, guys, mind you, please, this vehicle is owned by someone, and that's why you can see cover and lots of stuff, and it's a bit dirty. Excuse me on this. You get a light which is quite helpful in the night, and this overall boot capacity is 326 liters. And these are the Isofix child mounts anchors. You can see the loading lid is quite low, and it's an very easy task for loading your luggages. Pretty decent boot, and you even get a rare parcel rear seat of the Elite i20. So guys, mind you, my height for reference is 6 foot, and the driver seat is adjustable and adjusted as per my driving reference, in which I am comfortable. So this seat is adjustable for a 6 foot guy, and this is what the legroom you get in the rear. Now I am sitting behind the co-driver seat, and as you can see, this adjusted for me sitting in the front. And as you can see, this is the legroom I get. My legs are not touching to the front seat, but it's pretty decent, I can say. This is what the front dashboard look like from the rear. And talking about the dashboard, when you come down, these are the AC vents with blower adjust. You can just adjust the blower, and the seating, the cushioning to this seats is quite decent. I can't say it's the best in the segment, but it's good, it's pretty decent. And mind you guys, this Elite i20 comes in beige and black, as you can see, beige and black. But the interior done on this vehicle, especially the seat covers, as you can see, and they are aftermarket, so please mind me on that. And coming to the rear seats, these are the rear seats. In the rear seat you get an armrest, as you can see, with cup holders. I guess i20 is the first vehicle which offers this in the segment, the rear AC and the cup holders with the armrest. Then coming to the rear seat, these are the height adjustable headrest. This is the parcel shelf to keep your knickknacks. Then in the center you get a light. These are the grab handles, and this is the door handle, which is finished in aluminum brush finish, and you get a tweeter. And coming down, these are the power window controls, no auto up down. Then this is the speaker of the vehicle and a 1 liter bottle holder. And now I'll show you, this is a Bisleri 1 liter bottle, and that's a pretty easy fare. You can put a bottle, and the door closes with a solid thug. And this is the overall ambience of the vehicle from the rear. Now key fob of the vehicle. This vehicle has a keyless entry and go, and to start the vehicle you have to press the clutch and press the start stop button. This vehicle gets an start stop button. Guys, now I'm sitting in the front seat of the Elite i20, and this is the chunky to hold steering wheel of the Elite i20. And as you can see, this steering wheel is wrapped in leather, which is quite good to hold and gives you a nice feel when you hold or grip the steering wheel. So as you can see, there left side there are audio controls, and right side there are MID controls. Now let's begin with the audio controls. As you can see, there is mute, mode, volume up, down, change track, receive call and decline call, and this even has voice commands. Coming to the right side, there are MID controls. Now as you can see, going to the speedometer, in the center the MID screen fits in, which has a very crisp display. There is no issue while driving in day or night, as you can see, guys. So coming towards the MID and the speedometer, let me show you all the features which this car has. As you can see in the MID screen, now it's on the top, it's showing 273 kilometers. That's the distance to empty as per the fuel left in your tank. And in the center it's showing 0 kilometer. That's the digital speedometer. Now this car is at idle, and that's why it's showing 0. Coming down, there is the outside temperature meter, which shows 26 degree, and right side the kilometers clock, the odo. Left side there is the tachometer, and right side there is the speedometer, and you even have a digital temperature meter and fuel gauge. Now coming towards the steering, as you can see here, at the left side there are the wiper stalks, the wiper control. This vehicle has a rear wiper also. As you can see, the spray is quite wide and cleans the windshield in no time, and it's very effective. Coming to the right, these are the indicator stalks and the headlight. As you can see, this car comes with an automatic headlight. If you put it on off, it gets displayed in the MID screen itself, and this is when you put in auto. This is very convenient as it reminds you if your headlight is on or off. Then coming towards the overall interior, as you can see, the fit and finish is quite good, although it is hard plastic, but comparing to the rivals, it's really good. It doesn't feel that cheap. Then coming to the center console of the vehicle, as you can see, these are the air vents of the vehicle. Coming to the air vents, as you can see, there are the silver inserts which were added in this model, and it gives a quite upmarket feel to the vehicle. And in the center there is the main center locking, which usually is on the driver's side door, but Hyundai has kept it quite cleverly in the center, which is quite convenient for the driver and as well as the co-passenger to use. And these are the hazard lights. Coming down, this is the 7-inch infotainment system of the vehicle, which is quite slick to use. And this infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the usual stuff, the Bluetooth and everything. So, and this car even comes with inbuilt navigation. And the main thing I like about this infotainment system is not like other, it's not too fancy. It doesn't get the controls inside the screen. It has external buttons, which is quite helpful to use. Coming down, this is the automatic climate control of the vehicle, and as you can see, it has clean air technology and cluster ionization. And over here, this is the card holder. And coming down, there is a 12-volt power charger and an aux and USB and a fast charging for your mobile. Mind you guys, this is the 2018 variant. In the 2019 variant, there is an addition, which is an wireless charger. If you have a wireless charger charging compatible phone, you can just slide in your phone and it gets charging. Coming to the gear knob, this is the leather wrapped gear knob of the vehicle, 5-speed and reverse. So guys, this is the reverse camera of the vehicle. As you can see, it comes with adaptive guidelines. As you can see, now I'm moving the steering and the guideline moves. And here in the MID, you can see the R badging, which is for reverse. And a virtual i20 has been displayed in the MID, which shows you the rear parking sensors, as you can see on the screen. And coming to the center, this there are 2 cup holders, and this is the mandatory thing nowadays, the hand wash or the sanitizer, you can say. Swachhata can, quite helpful, convenient to use. You can throw all the things you have unwanted in that. And this is the armrest, leather wrapped, and as you can see, it has a quite deep storage, and this armrest slide forward as per your convenience, as you can see. And coming to the glow box, guys, this glow box is not so big, but it's usable, and it has a cooling function, which is great. In summers, if you want to put your drink in it, it can get cooled. And coming towards the steering wheel again, it's adjustable for both tilt and telescopic. Coming towards the rear view mirror, this is the rear view mirror with manual function. If you do it this way, the rear light won't disturb you. It's not the auto one which comes in vehicle. Coming towards the sun blind, in the co-driver, it has an mirror but no light, and the driver side, it doesn't has a mirror. And coming to the center, these are the light controls of the vehicle. And this is a very unique feature in the Elite i20. This is the sunglass holder, and mind you guys, if you can see, this has a fabric, soft fabric material cushion from inside, which will protect your expensive sunglasses from the damage. This is a really good touch, and a thumbs up for Hyundai for doing this. So coming towards the driver side, here is an rheostat. What the rheostat does is in particularly in Hyundai cars, you can see in many more models like the Verna or the Elantra, it controls the overall ambience of the vehicle. Now you can see I'm pressing the button and it's just dimming. Now actually it's very bright, so you can't see the difference, but at night you can see that the illumination throughout the cabin decreases. Now let me bring back to the normal. So this car is equipped with 4 speakers and 4 tweeters, and it has an Alchemist sound system, which is really good. So let me play a song for you. So guys, this was the audio system of the vehicle. It has Alchemist sound surround, which is brilliant, I guess, in this price point. Then coming towards the driver side door, here are the auto folding rear view mirror, and these are the mirror controls. These are the power windows. Driver side is auto up, auto down with anti-pinch function. And this is the storage space. This is the grab handle, and as you can see, this is the storage for the driver, a 1 liter bottle holder, and these are the speaker and the tweeters of the vehicle, as you can see. And one more thing I need to mention, look, as you can see, there is an virtual i20 in your MID. As it's showing, the driver side is door is open. This is really an helpful feature and it's almost in all Hyundai cars. So guys, talking about the safety net of this Elite i20 Astra optional, in the top of the line variant you get 6 airbags: the driver side steering airbag, the passenger side dashboard airbag, side curtain airbags, and side seat airbags. And this vehicle is also equipped with ABS with EBD and seat belts with pre-tensioners and adjustable seat belts. So guys, I am summing up the review here. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell notification so that you get notified whenever I upload my videos, and stay connected with me.